So are you headed to Marriott's Desert Springs Villas too, and you want to see a 1-bedroom side of a 2-bedroom lock-off? Well, let's take a look at ours right after this. We're going to head in here and take a look at our villa, 2737 here in Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2. This is just the 1-bedroom side of the 2-bedroom lock-off. So we're going to head on in here, but before we do, I want to let you know, on Destination Timeshare, I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't happen to own timeshare, but you love visiting these fantastic properties, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. So be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below. Also click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's head on in here. We're going to take a look at this 1-bedroom side of the 2-bedroom lock-off here at Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2. As we make our way into this 1-bedroom villa here at Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2, the first thing we're going to see and take a look at is the in-room laundry. You do have a stacked, high-efficiency washer and dryer. Definitely handy to have. Now we're going to take a look at the kitchen. This is actually a really good sized kitchen here. I was kind of impressed. Plenty of counter space, lots of room in there. There's also kind of a bar area there at the countertop with a number of stools, so somebody can be pulled up there while somebody's working in the kitchen, and you can have a real nice conversation. But of course, this kitchen also has your full set of appliances, dishwasher, oven, range, microwave oven, and a full-size refrigerator with an ice maker as well. And your full set of appliances is also complemented by a number of small appliances. You have a blender, you have a toaster, you have the coffee maker, there's a knife block in here as well. So definitely have pretty much all the appliances that you'd be used to if you were staying at home. Why do you want to be home when you can be here in this wonderful 1-bedroom villa? And in the cabinet here, we're also going to find a set of dinnerware, glassware, and silverware for 6 people. And down below, not to be forgotten, is where you're going to find a nice full set of stainless steel pots and pans. As we make our way into the living room and dining room area here, we're going to find this small kind of table here in the, I don't know, it's not really the entryway, but yeah, we have this nice table here, lamp, some nice artwork on the wall up above there as well. Yeah, definitely a really nice setup here. And the dining room, you have a nice big dining room table, kind of in that round, kind of weird shaped dining room with 6 chairs. So you can gather 6 people around this table. Definitely very nice. And the living room has a couple of chairs. You do have a nice sofa that does pull out into a queen size sofa bed. And there's a pretty good size flat screen television hooked up to the wall. And beneath it, you actually have a number of connections there where you can connect up maybe a Fire Stick or other HDMI device. And it is also complemented by a Blu-ray player. We're now going to go in and take a look at the bedroom. You do have a king-size bed here with a nightstand on each side, an alarm clock, and you also have there some exposed electrical outlets and USB charging ports. Definitely very handy to have. Something that they're starting to put in when they do renovate a lot of the Marriott timeshare units. Definitely a really lovely bedroom here. Some nice artwork. You do have a chest of drawers with a pretty good size television hung up above it there as well. Keep in mind here, there is no ceiling fan in this bedroom. Just moving off of the bedroom area, you have a couple of closets, utility closets, storage closets. One is home to the laundry basket and a vacuum cleaner. I'm not really sure why that laundry basket wasn't somehow fit into the laundry room utility closet when we first walked in and saw that, but this is where you'll find it. And the other closet, it is mainly just for storage, but it is also where you'll find the in-room safe. Moving into the bathroom area here, you're going to find a single vanity. Now this is actually separated from the main bathroom area. So we'll actually get a look at that here, a little bit of a closer look at that here in just a minute. But yeah, you have this vanity out here, just a single vanity, large mirror, plenty of towels. And across from that is where you'll find a large soaking tub. No jets here that I could see. Now we're going to go in and we're going to take a look at the bathroom here. This bathroom actually has an entryway from the bedroom area as well as from the main living area. Kind of leads up to where we saw the in-room laundry. You do have your toilet there and another single vanity with another large mirror on the wall there. I really think they could have put a double vanity in here. There's definitely a lot of room here. That would have been kind of nice. But I guess I figured they have that vanity outside the bathroom area here. So just a single one in here. There is also a nice large walk-in shower here as well. Definitely really clean look in this bathroom. Really liking the renovations that they did here. I'm sure it cost a lot of money, but they did a really good job. Next up, we want to head out and make sure we take a look at the patio. Okay, so we've made it to the patio of the 1-bedroom side of the 2-bedroom lock-off here at Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2. And yeah, it's not too bad of a patio. A little bit of a problem here with some ducks in the pond behind us. And they're doing some coring on the fairways here, so it's a pretty noisy patio here. There is no ceiling fan. There are 4 chairs and a table, and there's actually a pretty nice lounge chair over there, kind of like a pool lounger, which is kind of cool, and an electrical outlet. Some people like to know about that. But otherwise, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. And to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. For another video about Marriott's Desert Springs Villas 2, check out this one right up here, and YouTube. They're pretty sure you'll like that one right down there. Please be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.